Welcome back to Honors Ground Baguio, Sanctioned for January 23, 2016, featuring your finals, Kagero versus Megacolony. Oh, Nehalem! Looks like Kaitoshi is in the house!
Saved by Nehalen.
As you may have seen, his first damage was the X. Yeah, the X.
The X.
The X proceeds to use his grade 3 searcher, his red pulse Draco Kid.
Nehalem skills.
Searching Blade Master, puts down Calamity, draws a card. Oh, bar! Ay, tar pala! I'm sorry, not Kagero. Megacolony starts his turn, damage check 2-1, advantage to Kagero.
One hit skip? No. One damage.
Oh, triggers everywhere. This isn't anime. Kagero begins his turn.
Wow!
Damage check 2-2. Unequal footing, triggers at 1. Rides Dragonic Blade Master, attacks for 16. Megacolony guards for 2 to pass. Oh, old ass PG.
That PG though.
Megacolony begins his turn, riding Darkface. Striding with Little Dorcas, striding as that guy. Jaggy Devil.
Stun one back from one front, no regard.
Skill when attack hits, paralyzed back row when attack hits. Jupiter attacks for 12.
No counter blast.
Attacks for 5 guard, 10 guard.
One hit is stun.
Kagero doesn't guard, drive checks dry. Oh, protect orb, wow! The variation of PGs are real. Megacolony begins his turn, strides with the end, because it's the end. I mean, Kagero starts his turn. Whoa, Mustafa!
Target Vanguard.
Blade Master Mustafa skill, wiping Megacolony's side, bygone,
Unflipped ko.
Isa lang.
giving skill to himself when attack hits. For each face up Mustafa and flip damage or counter charge. For you Vanguard people over there. I'm surrounded by HG t-shirt wearing people. So that's how
And I'm reverse.
Oh, you bring shame. Shame bell.
I'm C4.
Prodigy.
Attack hits and flipping a damage. Was distracted.
Batman.
Looks like Mr. Dude forgot his Darkface skill. You forgot to draw, so your timing was off.
Hindi niya kinounter.
I'm sorry, I wasn't paying attention. 10 guards that, Kanzen guards. Trigger 17k lane, becoming 22 with crit. Attacks for 22 with crit. Damage check 3-3. What will Kagero do?
One hit 22.
Takes the damage. You know who's coming. Dragonic Overlord the reprint.
So burn.
Kagero begins his turn. To get burned. Kagero starts his turn getting emotional damage. Damage check 3-4, 3-5 with additional damage to Kagero. Calls down Burnout. Returning an Overlord to the bottom of his deck. Returning Mosquito. Soul Blasting 1 card. Proceeds to Legion with 3 triggers and that BT something PG.
Don't judge me.
Kagero player told me to screw me later. I will gladly oblige.
What the heck?
Holy shit.
He's gonna
Using the access skill to search for a
another day.
Overlord. Proceeds to search for his ex. We're sorry, Kagero player.
That's free.
I'm not being biased. I'm just assaulting his feelings. Proceeds to
Cannot
use
stand.
Darkface skill.
Ah,
blasting
rest.
And resting Mr. Burning Horn. Chugo.
Kapag naman, sir. One more time.
No side comments lang. Only I'm the one. Because I can assault their feelings. And they can do nothing about it. Places down another Burning Horn and Mr. Retire on after attack didn't hit that guy. Guns and Guards with Star Shield. Discarding and
8-6.
discarding the stand trigger. Twin drive. Oh, double that guy.
Go. Bell roll.
Attacks disregard for 12. Burnout attacks for 15. To Darkface is 11. 10 guards that guy. Megacolony begins his turn. Damage check 3 to 5. Advantage to Megacolony. Stride with PR Legion. Strides as Paraspear. Everything's rested. If 2 or more rested, draw card. But before that, uses Darkface's skill to target the 2 boosters.
Very nice.
That's nice.
Oh, the champ is back.
Uses then machining Pablo skill to paralyze Mr. Bunning Huan. Looks like the only unit that will stand later will be Mr. Burnout. Calls down Mosquito, soul charging 1 card, soul charges the machining crit. Calling down the stand trigger. End of phase skill.
Yay, featured match.
Kuya!
I lost my spot.
What the fuck? There's money. Papelin attacks Burnout for 15.
You don't use my spot. This is my
Reading
spot.
Mosquito. Yes. Use Bygone on that shit.
Call people for
31.
Paraspear attacks for what he said. Whoa. Hard guards.
31, 41, 46.
Attacks for 46.
26, 31, 35. So 3.
Rito pass.
So that's 3 to pass. Please
That's not
over.
me.
Namumove yung I'm sorry about the camera. Yeah, I think it doesn't do much. Yung focus is... Oh god, it was out of focus the whole time.
Shake ka din.
Shame!
Oh boy.
Reading skills.
Wala, intercept mo.
That's what Kagero does. Read skills. No pass.
Retire.
Attack didn't hit using that PR dude card skills to retire our rested unit. Strides with the end.
Will you do it now?
Ayan. Keep in mind that Belog and Calamity will not be standing for the rest of the turn. Oh! The reprint! CB2, Persona. The reprint uses its skill, it will restand later with +5. Kagero waving his X around. You don't do that to your exes. Uses his skill on the X. Wow. The reprint attacks Darkface for 25 26. Takes the damage, power gives to himself. Discarding an Overlord and a card. Attacking for 26. I actually for 31. Star Shield PG. Draws 2 from Belog and Calamity.
Drop zone.
Strides with Darkface. Strides as Paraspear yet again. Rests everything and draws a card. I mean Darkface skill first. targeting DX and Balog. So timing for Pyrosphere was not active. Nakatayo si ano? Nakatayo yung Balog mo. Hindi. Hindi niya intiniming eh. Dapat may draw na siya doon. He skips his draw. Sweet Cocktail attacks for 13. Targets Balog. Giga paralyzed and cannot intercept. Because
31, 35.
attacks for 35 doesn't guard. Deal is bad. Power to that guy. Crit power. Triple trigger. Oh,
Well
looks
played.
like Kai Toshiki is dead. This is not the Kai Toshiki that we want. You're just a reprint. And Janberg for the win. Megacolony champ for this week.
5 points.
Zoo yet again prevails for this week. Pero for let's give props to our Kagero player. Because for months Kagero player hasn't reached the top in our shop. So Mr. Cesar, good game sir. Handshake. Mr. Janberg, handshake.
How do you do that?
Tapos yung handshake nyo. The handshake of the players. Good game to both players. Megacolony as the champion for January 23, 2016.
Yeah, I did it.
Expect his deck profile in the coming weeks. Mr. Megacolony with his Darkface machining build. So yeah. Honors Ground Baguio. Visit us at Baguio, Upper Kayang, Philippines. Baguio City, not Manila.
Wala ka nung ano, yung
This is ContiBreak. That's our whites there. ContiBreak, please watch again. And yeah,